Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to continue our second question. What is that? They are given that concentric circles having the same radii with a 3 cm and 5 cm. So actually here concentric circles means the circles which will have the same center, that is called what you can say concentric circles. So 3 cm for the smaller circle and 5 cm for the larger circle. So what we have to find it here is we have to find the chord length of the chord which is drawn for the bigger circle, which is touching point of contact with the circle as smaller circle as P. So what we have to find length of the chord. So here the length of the chord which will going to bisect by the center of the circle which is passing through the point of contact P to the center. So this is the case here. Let's going to find what is the thing here is it is bisecting. Here two methods are there, actually bisecting method and directly calculating method. So what is the case here is let's going to find the chord length. So length of the chord means the joining point. The line which is joining 2 points on the circle is called as chord. So that is AB. Then AB is perpendicular to OP. So point of contact, that means at the P angle will be equal to 90 degrees. So this is the case. So what is the radii? So what is the radius of the smaller circle? So radius of the smaller circle is nothing but smaller circle here is, so angle P will be equal to 90 degrees. That means R1. So R1 radius of the smaller circle is 3 cm. Then what is the radius of the bigger circle? That is R2 will be equal to 5 cm. So these are nothing but acting as triangle. Let's going to find triangle. So AP triangle, what you can say triangle POP. So angle POB, what you can write it? So we have to find PB. So bisecting means what you can say here is AB will be equal to AP plus PB, and here bisecting. So OP is bisects the AB, that is therefore AP will be equal to PB. AP will be equal to PB. So bisecting means this is the case, AP will be equal to PB. Now what is the next one? So from Pythagoras theorem, what you can write it here as in triangle POB, so these are the hypotenuse, that is OB square will be equal to PB square plus OP square. So what is the OB square? That is 5 square. PB square is nothing but as it is, let's go into write OP square is 3 square. So 25 will be equal to PB square plus 9. So PB square will be equal to, what is the value? 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 will be as it is 16. Then PB square will be equal to PB will be equal to square root of 16. We'll get it as 4 cm. So PB is the 4 cm. As we know, so we can draw one more circle, one more triangle we can find. Based on that also similarly we can find, but no need of now. So let's going to write AB will be equal to, what is that? AB will be equal to AP plus PB. So AP and PB are equal, right? So PB plus PB, that is PB will be equal to 4 cm plus 4 cm. We will get it as 8 cm. That is length of the chord. Therefore length of the chord, what you can write? Length of the chord will be equal to 8 cm. That is AB will be equal to 8 cm. So this total will be 8 cm, 4 cm here. So this is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, please comment below. Thanks for watching.